So hello friends, the topic for today's video is SQL. Yes, from today's video we will be starting to learn SQL. So from the beginning of this video series, I have been telling you that we can create databases, we can create table, we can insert a table into our database, but how will my system know that I have to create a database? So for that we have a language known as structured query language, by the use of which we can write certain commands to create, update or delete our databases. So I have made notes for you guys, so let's quickly refer it. Okay, so the first point is structured query language is the language of database by the use of which we can perform certain operations on existing database. Which are they? We have seen in the previous video lectures. They are create, drop, insert or update. Okay, so there are mainly four categories of SQL commands. Which are they? They are DDL, which is data definition language. Second is DQL, which is data query language. Third is DML, that is data manipulation language. Fourth is DCL, which is data control language. We will learn all these categories of SQL commands in detail, but in this video I will mainly be focusing on DDL, which is data definition language. Okay, so in DDL commands there are four basic commands. Which are they? They are, the first command is create command. As the name suggests, that using this create command we can create our database or we can create a table. Okay, so that's what I have written over here. Create is used to create the database or its objects like tables and functions. So to write this create command you have to follow a certain syntax. So let's see the syntax of create command. So the syntax for create command is create, then you have to write table, then you have to write the name of your table, and then you have to specify the names of your column along with its data type. Okay, so let's understand this syntax with a basic example, which is to create a table student with the column name, its enrollment number and the branch of that student. So for this we have to create a table. Okay, so we will write create, then table, then we will write the name of the table. So the name of the table is student, and then we will define the column names. So first column name is name, second column name is enrollment number, and the third column name is branch. And over here we have written the data type of name. So the data type for name is varchar 20, and 20 is the length, or we can say the size of the name which the student will enter in the database. The second command is drop command. So drop command is used to delete the structure of your table. The syntax is very simple. You just have to write drop table and table name. So if you want to drop a table whose name is employee, so you can simply write drop table and the name of table, which is employee. Okay, the third command is alter command. It is used to alter the structure of the database. This can either use to modify the characteristics of an existing attribute. So what does this mean? By using this alter command you can change the content of your table. Okay, so let's see the syntax of alter command. In alter you will be writing the alter keyword along with table. So alter table then you will be writing your table name. Then if you want to add a new column to your table, you will be adding a keyword, that is add. Then you will be writing the new column name and its definition. Now if you want to modify the existing column in your table, you will be using the modify keyword, and you will specify the definition of your column in this brackets. Okay, so let's understand this with an example. So there's an example that add a column to the table student details named address. So we have to add a column whose name is address in the table student details. Okay, so how we will do this? We will be writing alter table student details. Now here we have to add a new column, so we will be using add keyword, add address varchar 20. So by writing this, a new column with column named address will be added to student detail whose length will be 20. Okay. The fourth command is truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the spaces and free the space containing the table. The syntax for truncate is very simple. You just have to write truncate table and the name of your table. The example is delete all the row of the table employee. So you will simply write truncate table and then you will write the name of your table, that is employee. Okay, now you will be having a confusion between the drop command and the truncate command. So the main difference between these two is, in drop command the whole table will be deleted, the whole structure will be deleted. Okay, but in truncate only rows will be deleted, the structure of the table will remain as it is. Okay, so this was all for this video, or we can say this was all for DDL commands. So in next video we will be having a practical implementation of this DDL commands. So if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and like the video too. Okay.